Was the summer of 793 when we sailed across the great North Sea.
Comets crossed the skies that night. You must have known something wasn't right.
We arrived upon your English shore and you offered friendship, but we wanted more. Yes, so much more. We're tearing up this place tonight.
Literally?
We're gonna set this sleepy town alight.
Literally.
We'll kill and steal and burn and drink, 'cause us Viking don't care what you think. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me in now, won't you please?
We're here to raid your monastery.
We're primed and ready to attack.
And we love how monks just don't fight back.
You'll die or become a slave to me,
Though our slaves often get chucked in the sea. Yeah. If the boat's heavy, yeah, yeah.
you're gonna lose your head, my friend.
Literally.
We're gonna get ya in the end.
Literally.
And I'll drink a toast from your skull, 'cause we're Vikings, and that's how we roll. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Baby, that's right now. We're gonna paint the whole town red
Literally?
with the blood of the dead.
Literally.
We'll take everything that you own and get back on our ship and go back home. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're going home. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're going home. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are going home.
I'm dead.